Namaste to all students. Myself JV'n Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the determination of saponification value of lipid or fats. So the saponification value is the number of mg of potassium hydroxide required to saponify 1 gram of oil or fat. What is the principle? So oil sample is saponified by referencing with a known excess of alcoholic potassium hydroxide solution. The alkali required for saponification is determined by titration of the excess potassium hydroxide with standard hydrochloric acid. Apparatus which we require: 250 ml capacity conical flask with ground glass joint, 1 meter long air condenser or reflux condenser to fit the flask, hot water bath or electric hot plate fitted with thermostat. Reagents: the alcoholic potassium hydroxide solution, which is basically reflux, 1.2 liter alcohol, 30 minutes for with 10 gram QH and 6 gram granulated aluminum or AL foil. Distill and collect 1 liter after discarding first 50 ml. Dissolve 40 gram of potassium hydroxide in this 1 liter alcohol, keeping temperature below 115-degree temperature while dissolving. Alkali and allowed to stand overnight. Decant the clear liquid and keep in a bottle closed tightly with a cork or rubber stopper. Phenol, phenolphthalein indicator solution: dissolve 1 gram of phenolphthalein in 100 ml rectified spirit and standard hydrochloric acid approximately zero point 0.5 non-empty. Procedure: melt the sample if it is not already liquid, filter through a filter paper to remove any impurities and last traces of moisture. Make sure that sample is completely dry. Mix the sample thoroughly and weigh about 1.5 to 2 gram of dry sample into a 250 ml flask. Pipette 25 ml of alcoholic potassium hydroxide solution into the flask. Conduct a blank determination along with the sample. Connect the sample flask and the blank flask with air condensers. Keep on the water bath. Boil gently uh, but steadily until saponification is complete, as indicated by the absence of any oily matter and appearance of clear solution. Clarity may be achieved within 1 hour of boiling. After the flask and condenser have cooled somewhat, wash down the inside of the condenser with about 10 ml of hot ethyl alcohol neutral to phenolphthalein. Titrate the excess potassium hydroxide with 0.5 N hydrochloric acid using about 1 ml phenolphthalein indicator. These are the calculation for saponification value. Saponification value is approximately 56.1 B minus S into N divided by W, where B is volume in the ml of standard hydrochloric acid required for the blank, S is a volume in ml of standard hydrochloric acid required for the sample, N is normality of the standard hydrochloric acid, and V, W, is weight in gram of the oil or fat taken for the test. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by digital version 2.0 JAYOTI VIDYAPEETH Women's University Jaipur. If you have any queries, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it